Real estate term of the day, plan unit development. In short, is known as a PUD. What is this? When a developer is going to develop an entire area, acres of land, the zoning is may want to ask, hey, I need a park. I need a place for people to gather. I need something. By the way, the developer has to build that and has to gift that to the city as dedication. The city on that point maintains it. That goes along with all the substructures, the roads, the sidewalks, the sewers, and the light fixtures. All that has to be made by the developer and then donate that back to the city. A city at that point maintains everything. In exchange, they're going to let him build cluster zoning, which means one home on top of each other, apartment complex, townhomes, zero lot lines, so they can cluster in more properties and they can get most of their money back or all of their money back or even turn into a profit. And that is the definition of plan and unit development. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. Till next time.